Avalore jewelry. Is it the affordable luxury everyone's raving about, or just another shiny letdown? Let's get straight to the point. Should you buy or skip in 2026? Alternate opening. If you don't like wasting money but still want your jewelry to look premium, then Avalore might be calling your name. But does it really deliver on style and value? Here's the fast truth. Avalore jewelry is a hit for anyone who wants trendy, Instagram-worthy pieces without dropping serious cash. The best part? Their designs actually look and feel more expensive than they are, and the packaging is top-notch, perfect for gifting. Most customers say the durability is surprisingly good for the price. But here's the catch. Most Avalore jewelry is gold-plated, not solid gold. So, while it's shower-safe for a few weeks, you might see some fading with daily wear. And, heads up, some online shoppers land on scammy lookalike sites with fake deals and never get what they paid for. Quick verdict: buy if you want budget-friendly bling for everyday looks. Skip if you're chasing heirloom quality or 24/7 shine. And always double-check that you